Okay, so let's move on. We're still on EQ. Okay, so let's move on. Still on equalization, right? EQ. So shelving, yes, there's something called shelving equalizer, right? So we've already treated graphic equalizer, we've treated the cuts, low cuts, or high pass, and the low pass or high cut filters, right? So the next on our list is shelving EQ. What is shelving, right? So shelving EQ basically works the way your bell equalization works, right? So this is our low cut here. So let's do another equalizer. Okay. So this is the way shelving EQ works is to just give a boost, right? So the way I can give a boost using my bell, right? I can also do the same, but shelf is kind of different in the sense that let's do it first so you see. Get ready on it. So I shelf equalizer. I'm gonna just set this. See, it moves everything I basically, and the beauty about it is that I can actually go as far as possible. So for instance, let's play voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. So that's a shelf in equalizer. Also, you can also have both high shelf and also the low shelf actually. So high shelf and also low shelf. Yeah, that's low shelf. So with low shelf, you typically use low shelf for boosting notes in general. For example, you want to boost your kick or boost your bass, or you want to boost the low end of the music in general, right? But one thing about them is that for the low shelf, it starts from 0 hertz undisputed, and for the high shelf, it starts from over 20k hertz. In some cases like this, since I'm using a far filter Pro Q3, it starts from like around 40k hertz. So it is not like the builder you can actually just move around in between. It starts from basically the very highest frequency to wherever you're actually going, right? So if you want to use high shelf, just know that you're using it for entirely either for all the eyes or from the highest eye basically to wherever you are taken into. And so high shelf like low shelf are actually simple. They're straightforward, but they have their own different uses, right? And I can also decide to like use a high shelf also, but to bring it down. For instance, let's say the way this is going, I don't want it to come
love
out
you,
all on the eyes.
Lord,
I can just use this to like crush down the eyes a
and
bit
I
without
live.
entirely cutting it the way I would have done using the eye cut filter over here. You get? Okay, let's move on to the next video.